What the heck?
Waters from Swampy River to Keaton Beach out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Okaloosa, Walnut County, Beach from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from
Bro.
to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles southwest of St. Mark's to 62 nautical miles southwest of Empire Lake Wreck, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34
I thought it was like a tornado warning or something.
Frequent lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets.
So now you activate.
Locations impacted include Buckeye Reef, O Tower, K Tower, South Tower, V Tower, Empire Lake Wreck, Apalachicola, C Tower, St. George Island, and Marker 24 March. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachia Bay.